Good morning, students. Today in SST we will go through the 19th chapter, that is India Wins Freedom. Students, in this we had the exercises of tick the correct answers and fill in the blanks and matching. But there was no true or false in it. So we will do the true or false of this chapter. I will give you the true or false and you will write it in your classwork copy, that is your SST copy. So uh, in the true or false, the things I have learned, that I will from that only I have made the true or false, and you will write it down in your SST classwork copy, so that in the exam you can learn it from that only. In 18th chapter there is already true or false in the exercise, but in the 19th chapter there is no true or false. And in the 19th chapter I'm also going to talk about the struggle for freedom in the non-violent way by Mahatma Gandhi, who fought for our freedom struggle. He had gone to South Africa also, and he had gone through the fight for the blacks with the whites, that was apartheid. And as a lawyer, he was a lawyer, but when he went to South Africa and saw the conditions of the Africans and Indians over there, so he decided to lead the movement in non-violent way, and he was very much successful over there. So we will talk about that also, and also the true or false. I'll explain you which sentence, why the statement is true and why the statement is false in that sentence in the 19th chapter. So let's start with that chapter. Okay. Now in chapter 19, India Wins Freedom, Gandhiji was born on 2nd October, that is 1869, at Porbandar, Gujarat. He studied law in England. After getting his degree, he went to South Africa on a legal assignment in 1893. In South Africa, he was disturbed by the racial discrimination between the Indians and the whites. So there was very much racial discriminations. Indians were not treated good over there. The blacks were also treated with contempt. Once Gandhiji was thrown out of a train because he was a black. So this made him more determined to fight for the cause of justice. In South Africa, Gandhiji gathered Indians together and made them realize that discriminations on the basis of skin color was unjust. He believed that truth would prevail and violence will provide no answer. So, thus his method was called Satyagraha. Now, in 1915, Gandhiji returned from South Africa to India. There he had fought for the rights of the Indian living in South Africa through non-violent way. He had not used any violent way. He always used a non-violent way, ahimsa. He had gone to Africa as an advocate and returned to India as a famous leader who fought for justice. He jumped into the national movement and channeled all his efforts towards the goal of freedom. People of low castes and the untouchables were treated very badly in those times. So Gandhiji, what did he do? He gave them the name Harijan to untouchables. He asked the people not to follow caste system. So students, this was about Gandhiji's struggle for freedom, and now we will go through the exercises. I had told you that in this I have given you India Wins Freedom chapter 19, true or false are there. So 8 true or false are there. So I'll explain you. I had made this true or false from the things I have learnt. From that only I have made this true or false, because in 19th chapter there was no true or false. So first true or false is Gandhiji gained freedom with the help of Satyagraha and Ahimsa. What does this mean? That Gandhiji, whatever freedom we got, was with the help of Satyagraha, Andolan, which he did, movements he did, and Ahimsa, that is non-violence. So it is true. Then second point is General Dyer asked his troops to open fire at thousands of innocent people at Jallianwala Bagh. So who did this? General Dyer did this. He opened fire on thousands of innocent people at Jallianwala Bagh. So this is also true. Then we come to the third one. In 1939, the Congress declared the demand for Purn Swaraj. So this date is wrong. It was when? It was in 1929. The Congress session, it demand for Purn Swaraj, it was in 1929. And what I have written it is 1939. So the date is wrong, so it is false. Then again, the Quit India movement was launched in 1952. I had written the Quit India movement was launched in 1952. So this is also wrong. It was in Quit India movement in 1942 under the leadership of Gandhiji. So this statement is also wrong. So it is false. In 1939, the Congress declared the demand for Purn Swaraj. That is also false. And in the Quit India movement was launched in 1952. That is also false. Then the fifth one is Indian National Army was founded by Swami Vivekanand. Here it is written that the Indian National Army was founded by Swami Vivekanand, which is false because it was founded by Subhash Chandra Bose. So this is wrong. So this is also false. Then we come to the sixth one. The slogans Jai Hind and Dilli Chalo was given by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. So this is also false because it was given by whom? Subhash Chandra Bose. So I had written it is given by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. So that is false. This statement is also false. Then we come to the seventh one. Indians opposed the unjust and strict laws of the British after the World War I. What does this mean? That India was very against the unjust laws of the British after the World War I. They were not liking it. So this is true. Then we come to the last one, eighth one. At Dandi, Gandhiji picked up a handful of salt and broke the salt law. So this is also true that at Dandi only Gandhiji picked up a handful of salt and broke the salt law. That is Dandi March. So this is also true. So students, all these true or false from 1 to 8, you will do it in your fair copy, SST fair copy, where you have written the question answer of chapter 19. From there only, or there onwards, where there is blank, there is a page. After that only you will write this true or false. Okay. So these are the 19 chapter false, because in exercises we only have this. There is only, in exercises there is only 19 chapter. Pick the correct answer, matching and fill in the blank. There is no true or false in it. So that is why I have given you this true or false of 19 chapter, so that you can learn it from here only. Okay. I will give you and you will write it in your fair copy and show it to me. Okay. Thank you.